If you're still depending on AliExpress suppliers in 2026, then you're losing customers before their package even leaves the warehouse. 20 to 40 day shipping times, generic unbranded boxes, and zero quality control before it reaches your customer's door. That combination is what kills repeat buyers and tanks your reviews, even when the product itself is good. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly why you need a private supplier this year, the different types of suppliers you'll run into, and the one I'm currently switching some of my brands over to. Then we'll do a deep dive inside their platform so you can see exactly how it works. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So let's start with why this actually matters, because the dropshipping space is constantly changing. Every single day you get new AI tools or suppliers that can do this and that, but most of it is actually noise. I want to go over what actually matters today. And problem number one is shipping time. Customers in 2026 are used to ordering something on Amazon and having it delivered the next day. And if your product takes 3 or 4 weeks to arrive, you're not just risking a bad review, you're risking a refund, a chargeback, and a customer who never comes back. Shipping speed isn't just nice to have anymore, but it's literally essential for building a brand. Which leads me to problem number 2, branding. When a customer gets a plain, unmarked box with packing slips in different languages, that's exactly what it feels like. Just getting a package dropped off from a stranger. There's no brand connection, there's no reason to remember you, and there's definitely not a reason to come back and buy from you again. Generic packaging kills your repeat purchase rate. So custom branding is something you need to focus on. And then there's problem number 3, quality control. When you're selling random products from AliExpress, there's no inspection between it leaving the warehouse and arriving at your customer's door. So they might get a broken product, they might get an empty package, or they might get no product at all. And if a product arrives damaged or not as advertised, you find out at the exact same time as the customer, through an angry email. And all of these problems come from the same root cause. You're working with a supplier that has no relationship with your brand. They're just shipping a product. They're not representing your business. So let's talk about the different types of suppliers you'll run into when you actually start looking, because there's quite a few different options. So the first category is marketplace suppliers. These are options like AliExpress or Temu, and this is typically where most dropshippers get started. And the appeal is pretty obvious. They have a massive catalog, very low prices, and the barrier to entry is very low. But the trade-offs are the exact 3 problems I just talked about. Because these platforms ship directly from China, using services like ePacket that can take 20 to 40 days to arrive at your customer's doorstep. And the packaging is always generic. They either get blank packages or it arrives with AliExpress branding and instantly kills your credibility. Then of course, there's no quality inspection. You're trusting your business with random third-party suppliers that you've never vetted before. And this is fine when you're testing a product idea with little to no money on the line, but for building a long-term brand, you can't go this route anymore. And for our second category, we have sourcing agents. These are people that sit between you and the actual factory that manufacture your products. They generally offer faster shipping than sites like AliExpress, and a lot of them actually have custom branding options as well. And this is a real improvement, but you're still managing that relationship yourself. And a lot of times the branding and quality control varies from agent to agent, so you really have to be careful. And then the third category, this one actually solves every major problem we just talked about, and that's a private fulfillment partner. This is a dedicated team that sources your product, quality checks everything, stores it in their own warehouses, applies your branding like custom boxes, inserts, and your logo, and ships it through optimized private shipping routes, not generic slow boat shipping. This is the route I go with all of my own stores. So let me talk about one of the private suppliers that I actually just switched to. So I started working with Fulfillman a few years ago on some of my own brands, and I've been very impressed with them. Not only can they put my logo on my products and on my packages, they create custom thank you cards for me, but they do a ton of additional services as well. They have an in-house product photography team. These are people that take custom photos and videos of your product. That way you can use them on your website, in your ads, in your social media pages, or wherever else you need them for. Now, one of the main reasons I switched over to them was how fast their shipping actually is. Fulfillment has their own private line of logistics. They work with hundreds of different shipping carriers to ensure your products get delivered very fast. In fact, all of my orders arrive within 3 to 7 days. Most of them arrive within 4 days or less. I'll pull up some of my recent tracking numbers, and you guys can see right here. From China to the UK, I have 4-day shipping. From China to the US, 4-day shipping. Then all of these other ones down here, 4-day, 4-day, 4-day and 4 days. Show me any other supplier out there that can get your products delivered in 4 days or less. And fast shipping is the difference between a customer who trusts your store and a customer constantly emailing you asking where their package is. Then the other big thing I focused on was custom branding, like I already mentioned. They put my logo on all of my products. They create custom boxes and poly mailers, custom inserts like thank you cards, even gift cards. Because when a customer opens up their package from me now, it doesn't feel like a random dropshipping order. It feels like they bought from an actual brand instead. And that's what I'm going for. That's the branding experience that gets people to follow you, leave good reviews, and keep coming back to buy from you again and again. And also, I'm not managing my supplier relationships anymore. I now have a team managing sourcing, quality checks, and fulfillment, so I can actually focus on marketing and not emailing my supplier every day wondering where my packages are. And that's a huge difference from working with AliExpress to going to a private supplier. So let me show you the platform I've been using for some of my own stores. So this is Fulfillman right here, and this is the first page you land on when you check them out. I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you're interested, but that'll take you to this page right here where you guys can select get a free quote. From there, all you have to do is fill out a little information about yourself, your brand, and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. But let's talk about some of the things that separate Fulfillman from other generic suppliers. So let's start here with sourcing. Fulfillment sources directly from manufacturers and suppliers, primarily out of China, and they manage that relationship for you. So that way, you're not negotiating directly with the factory yourself. You have a team of people that do all of this for you. And you can browse their existing catalog items to populate your store, or if you got a specific product in mind, you can submit a sourcing request and their team will find and vet a supplier for it. That's a completely different experience from scrolling AliExpress, hoping you picked a reliable supplier. Now, this is the section that matters most for what we talked about earlier. Custom branding. Custom printed boxes, branded inserts, thank you cards with your logo, all the things that turn a generic delivery into an actual brand experience. And the pricing scales with how far you want to take it. A simple branded insert costs very little per order, maybe a couple of cents. But printing a fully custom box costs a little bit more, but it creates a stronger unboxing moment. And this is what helps you build a real brand. This is genuinely the section that I would point any store owner to first if repeat purchase rate is something you're trying to improve. Now, like I already mentioned, Fulfillment also offers product photography, which is something most suppliers don't touch at all. If your current product images look like stock marketplace photos, this is a way to get professional, on-brand images without setting up your own photo studio. And you guys can see some examples of all their previous work down here. So you guys can reach out to them with any product you want to sell and get custom photos made for each one. That way you can use them on your product pages, anywhere on your website, social media pages, and your ad platforms, or anywhere else. Now let's move into shipping, because this is one of the most important parts. Fulfillment runs what they call a private line shipping network. So instead of generic slow-boat international shipping, this is an optimized private route designed specifically for faster delivery. This is where the faster shipping time that I mentioned actually comes from. It's a huge difference from AliExpress in how your package moves from the warehouse to your customer. And as I've shown you guys before, this is how I'm getting 4-day shipping on all of my own stores. So then as all of your orders come in, they'll go ahead and source and fulfill everything automatically for you. And your agent's gonna keep you completely up to date throughout this entire process. They'll reach out to you daily on WhatsApp or Telegram, and they'll keep you completely up to date with your business. They'll let you know when there's order delays, pricing increases, or anything else you need to know. And a quick mention for anybody who runs multiple businesses. Fulfillment actually handles Amazon FBA prep, crowdfunding fulfillment for Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaigns, and broader third-party logistics. So if you're scaling beyond just a single dropshipping store, those services are sitting right there in the same platform. The reason private suppliers matter in 2026 comes down to 3 things: shipping speed, branding, and quality control. And sourcing on marketplaces like AliExpress can get you cheap products, but it doesn't solve any of those 3. But a dedicated private fulfillment partner actually does. And I make sure to switch to a private supplier for any product I want to sell as soon as I validate the idea. So in case you want to try this out yourself, I will leave a link for Fulfillment down below for you guys. But let me know in the comments below what you guys are looking for in a good supplier. Do you struggle with shipping times, quality control, speed, or anything else? And don't forget to check out all the helpful resources I have down there for you, like my free course to help you get started. And if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.